Hello, let us solve this one. So here it says the figure shows on the right consists of one square. So here this is my square and 8 rectangular parts. That means one is square and rest are rectangular parts. So they have uniform width, like this is 8, this width is 8, this width is 8. So they all have same width, that is 8 centimeter. Peter assembles all the part to form one long 8 centimeter wide rectangle. How long is the rectangle? Very simple question. So first of all, let's give number to each square and rectangle. So here only one square we have. So this is 1 and rest 8 pieces are rectangles. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now let's visualize this question and let's assemble this shape. So let us start with this square. So I am just copying this square and I am taking this square out. Now we have been told that square has length 8 centimeter, isn't it? Now we have been told that each part is 8 centimeter wide. It means this is also 8 centimeter wide. Length and width will be same in the square. So here this is 8, isn't it? Now if you observe shape number 3 carefully, then this is what is 8 because this is square. We have been clearly told in the question it's a square, and width is 8 for each rectangle. So for rectangle number 2, this is rectangle number 2, width is 8, isn't it? That means I can say the length of rectangle 3 is 16. This is 8 plus this is 8. So rectangle number 3 is 16. So now I will copy rectangle number 3 and I will take it out. So I took out rectangle number 3 and we know its length is 16. This is 1, this is 3. And here we want to make the wide rectangle with uniform width of 8 centimeter. So this is 8 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, and this is how I need to connect all. So now let's talk about rectangle number 2. So here this is 8, that's what we know for the square number 1. And width is same for all. So number 6, if you observe, then this width is 8, isn't it? So 8 plus 8, 16. So we can say rectangle number 2 has also length 16. So I am now copying rectangle number 2. So I will copy directly from here because rectangle 2 and 3 are same. So here also 16 and here 2. Now let's talk about rectangle number 6. Rectangle number 6 and 3 are same. This is 8 and here width of 7 is 8. So that means this is also 16. So now I will copy rectangle number 6. I will copy directly from here because 3 to 6, all 3 are same. This is also 16. Now let us talk about 7. So if you observe 7, then this width is 8. And this is my square. Square has also length 8. 8 plus 8, 16. So I am copying number 7 rectangle. That is also 16. So now we need to work on 4, 5, 8, 9. And all 4 are same. 4, 5, 8, 9 are same. Now if you observe here, the width is 8, right? For number 3, we know it's 16 from here to here, right? Because this is 8. This is also 8. So that's 16. And this is again 8. Because width of all the rectangles is same. So 16 plus 8 plus 8, that is 32. So now I am copying rectangle number 9. So this is my rectangle number 9 and I need to make the rectangle with width 8 centimeters. So I will arrange it like this and this is 32. And now number 8 is also 32. So I will copy this rectangle. This is number 8, 32. Number 4 and 5, they are also same. So number 4 and number 5. And both have length 32. So now I arranged in such a way that width is 8 centimeter for this rectangle, the big rectangle. And the length we need to find. How long is the rectangle? Very simple. I simply need to add all these numbers. So let us use friendly numbers in order to add these all very quickly. So these all are 32, 32, 32, 32. 32 times 4. That will make 128. These 4 are 16, 16, 16, 16. So 64. 16 times 4. and this is 8. If you add these two, you will get 72. 72 and 128 easy to add. It will give us 200. Answer is choice D. I tried to explain in as easy language as possible. I hope you find it useful.